Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable the developer options on Android. So if you want to, let's say, make your phone feel 2 times faster, or maybe unlock USB debugging or spoof your GPS, you need to access the developer options. And the secret menu is hidden by default, but here I'm going to show you the secret tab to unlock it in seconds. So to start, you can just go to the settings on your phone and scroll all the way down to the about phone options, this one in here, and then you can just find the software informations, and or in some phones it's just right there. This one, software information, click on that and find the build number option here. Now you can just tap on it exactly 7 times. 1, 2, 3. As you guys can see, you'll see a countdown. 4, 5, 6, 7. Here you need to enter your pin or pattern to confirm. Okay, now you can just go back to the settings again, and here you can go to the system management and you'll see the option developer options. Click on that and here is the developer options menu. So in here you can check or make your Android faster by changing the Windows animation. You can just scroll down until you see the options to change it. You can also do the USB debugging. You can get your phone ready for file transfer and advanced modes. And but you need to know that these options or this menu is not for everyone. So don't you need to know which settings you should never touch unless you are a pro. And if you want to turn it off, you can just click on this here to toggle it off, and the developer options will be gone. So when you click on it, you can open it because you need to enable it again. So that's all for me. If this guide helped you, smash the like button, subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.